Assalamu alaikum students. I am your maths teacher from IYS school. Hope you all good and safe at home. So today is our third day of online teaching. Shall we start? Okay, now I am going to start our third lesson. Okay, so our today's that is lesson number 3, objectives are describing comparison of numbers greater than, smaller than or is equal to, and number 2 is put the signs greater, smaller is equal to. These are the main objectives of our today's lesson, that is lesson number 3. In lesson number 1, what we have done: notation, numeration, working with three-digit numbers, introducing thousands, thousand related activities, and expanded form. Okay. In lesson 2, in yesterday's lesson, what I taught you and what we have done: Pakistani placing of four-digit numbers in Pakistani place value chart, international place value chart, uh, colored digits, placing of colored digits, how to put commas. Hopefully, you all understand and done exercise 1.4 according to my instructions. If you have any misunderstanding or any confusion regarding yesterday's exercise, that is 1.4, part A, B, C, D, E, and F. If you have any confusion in these parts, you will ask me after this lecture. Okay. Now, I am going to start my today's lecture. So, yesterday exercise 1.4, we had done till part F. Open your books, page number 10. Yesterday we have done till part F. Okay, hope you all done till part F. Now we are continuing from there. Our remaining one part is still remaining, that is part G. And part G is, look into your books and here look at your screens. Write these numbers in figures and words. This is the remaining part of exercise 1.4 that we have started yesterday. Okay, this is the remaining part of exercise 1.4 that we are going to study today. So write these numbers in figures and words. How you do this part? Number one is 1000, 1 to 1010. First of all, you have to write series of all 1000 till 1000, starting from 1001 till 1010. First of all, here you see I'm solving one question. I've done one question for you. You will also allowed to take a screenshot of this part. Okay, you are allowed to take a screenshot of this. In this way you easily solve remaining all questions. What you have to do here: number one question is 1001 to 1010. First of all, you have to write in figures 1001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here in this way, then put is equal to sign. Then in words, what is the question here? Write these numbers in figures and words. So first of all, for your better understanding, you will write these numbers in figures. Whole series 1001 to 1012, 1001 to 1010. Okay, in this way. After that, put is equal to 1 by 1 and then write in words. 1001, 1002, because there are only zeros given in the place of 110, so you write in words in this manner: 1001, first of all in figures and in words, 1001, then 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way, you will solve this question. First of all, what you have to do, starting from the first number to till end number, you will write like this. They are asking 1001 to 1001 to 1010. So first of all, you write this series in figures. It is a easy way to write in words then. Okay, because they are asking in both, first in figures then in words. So first of all, you will write in figures, then put is equal to sign, then one by one write in words. Okay, in this way you will solve this part, that is part number 2, exercise 1.4, page number 10 in your books. If you want to take a screenshot of it for your guidance, then take it right now. Students, if you want to take a screenshot of this part, that is part G, you will take it right now. Okay, so in this same way, you will solve these all parts number 2, number 3, number 4 here 2011, 2111 to 2120. You will write from 11 to 20 whole series here in this. All these parts done in the same way. All these parts done in the same way. Okay. If you have any confusion regarding this part, you will ask me in end. And complete this part by using pencil in your fair copies. First of all, left one page because they are your new copies. Okay, first of all you will left one page, then make title page. Okay, and then start the chapter. Hope you done previous exercises in this manner. You have to left one page, then you have to make title page, then we start exercises. Okay, in this way you will complete all parts of exercise 1.4, some parts in few parts in book and few parts in your fair copy as I mentioned in home task. Okay, so our exercise 1.4 is completed now. Now our today's topic, 5-digit numbers. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, what we have learned, 4-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. But today what we have learned, what we are going to learn, 5-digit numbers. Placing of 4-digit numbers ends at thousands. Placing of 3-digit numbers ends at 100. So the placing of 5-digit numbers ends at 10,000. So here, when we add one block in 999, it will become 1000. 4-digit number. But when we add one block in 9999, then it will become 10,000. Our new 5-digit number is 10,000, and the smallest 5-digit number is here also 10,000. Largest 4-digit number is 9999, and the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Okay, I already told you that in lecture number 1, that is on Monday. So when we add one block in 9999, the new number comes, that is 10,000. So our 5-digit number is 10, and the 5-digit number placing is read as 10,000. Hope you all understand this. Now moving forward, look at here. Yesterday we have learned about place value chart of Pakistani and international period by placing 4-digit numbers. But today what we have learned, 5-digit numbers. And I told you here that our new 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So our new 5-digit number is 10,000. So here we have to do placing till 10,000. And in Pakistani place value chart, you know that why we have to group Pakistani place value chart in the grouping of 3 to 2. Starting from the right side, we have to group digits in 3 to 2. First group is of 3, then of 2, and then further of 2. Here 10,000 also comes in the group of 1000. We don't need to make another column for it, because when we move further like lakhs or 10 lakhs, then we make another column. But now our topic, our chapter and topic also will end only at 5-digit numbers. So you just only need to learn about how to place 5-digit numbers in Pakistani and international place value chart. So I already told you that we always start reading from right side, but always start writing from left side. So here your number is 15084 or 15,084. We don't read it like 1, 10,000, 5,000. No, this is the wrong way, because both the 1,000 and 10,000 comes under the group of 1,000. So we read it like 15,000. Is that clear? Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to represent this number in Pakistani place value chart. So starting from here, 4 comes at the place of units, 8 comes at the place of tens, and 0 comes at the place of 100. And all you know that the first 3 digits that are from starting from the right side, units, tens, 100. These 3 places comes under the group of ones. Okay, units, tens, 100. The first 3 digits from right side comes under the group of ones. So ones consist of 3 places, units, tens, and hundreds. So 4 comes in the group, 4 comes under the place of unit. Here 8 comes at the place of tens, and 0 comes at the place of 100. What I told you yesterday, that when first group is complete, what we have to do, we put comma here. Why we put comma here? Because comma act as separation between two groups. Okay, so here first group is complete, 084, then we put comma, then 5 comes at the place of 10,000, that is 4 digit number. And our today's topic, according to today's topic, 1 is our 5th digit number. And what's the place of 5th digit number? Read as 10,000. So 1 comes under 10,000. So 1 5, first group is complete here, we put comma, then 100 tens unit 084. In this way, you will do placing of 5 digit numbers in Pakistani place value chart. Hopefully you all understood this. Now, how we say this number in words? 1 5. Both, one's the place of 10,000, five's the place of 1,000. So both the 1,000 and 10,000 comes in the group of 1,000. So when we read or when we write in words, we write it like 15,000, not in like 1, 10,000, 5,000. No, this is the wrong way. You write it like 15,000, because both the 10,000 and 1,000 comes in the group of 1,000. And whenever we write number in words or read, we just consider it with 1,000. Okay, so 15,000, there is nothing in the place of 100 except 0. So you never write 0 and when we write in words, or never count 0. We just write it, don't read and not consider it. And then 84. In this way, you write number in words. In this way, in figures. Now in expanded form, 15,084. So, all you know that how many zeros are there in 1,000? 3 zeros. So, how many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 zeros. Okay, in 1,000, 3 zeros. In 10,000, 4 zeros. In simple way, another way you say that after 1,000, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many places? 4. So, you have to write 1 and then 4, put 4 zeros with this 1. Okay, so it will become 10,000. Here 1 is at the place of 10,000. This one will become 10,000. Then we put addition sign. Then 5 is at the place of 1,000. You know how many zeros are there in 1,000? 3 zeros. In expanded form, you will put 3 zeros with 5. Then we put addition sign. 0 is at the place of 100. You know that there are 3 digits in the place of 100 and 2 zeros with that digit. So you put 3 zeros, then 8 at the place of tens. You know you have to put 1 0 only with when and any digit is at the place of 10. So you write 8 like 80 and then units at the 4. This is the expanded form. This is the figure form, and this is how we write in words. Hopefully you all understand how to place 5-digit numbers in Pakistani place value chart. Now move to international. All you know, as I told you yesterday, today we are not working with 6-digit numbers in this chapter or maybe in this class, but I just only gave you concept yesterday that whenever we talk about 6-digit number, that 100,000, that comes in the group of 1000 in international place value chart. That 100,000, the sixth digit number in Pakistani place value chart, comes in another group and count as lakhs. Okay, in international, why it comes at the place of 1000? Because there is 1000 with 100. With h there is 1000. So whenever there is 1000 with this place, so it will comes in the group of 1000. This 100,000 in Pakistani place value chart, the six digit number read as lakhs, but in international place value chart it read as 100,000 and comes in the group of 1000. In Pakistani we group like 3, 2, 2, but in international we group in 3, 3 and 3, so on. This is the difference between Pakistani and international place value chart. 10,000 तक both the groups, whether it's a Pakistani or both the periods, whether it's a Pakistani or whether international, same till 10,000. Changes occur after 10,000. Here lakh count is 100,000, comes in the group of 1000, but there in Pakistani place value chart, lakh comes in another group and it count as and read as lakhs. This is the difference. But today we just only working with 5-digit number. So you see here, same digits, 4 comes at the place of unit, 8 comes at the place of 10, 0 comes at the place of 100. First group is of one set consists of 3 places, units 10, 100. Other group is of 1000, 10,000, 100,000, but we are only working with 5-digit numbers. So we just place it in till 10,000. So here same as Pakistani, 5 comes at the place of 1000, 1 come at the place of 10,000. We are not working with 6-digit number, so this column remain as paired. Okay, so in the same way you write 15, comma 084, here comma act as separation. Now in words same 15,084, and this is the expanded form. Hopefully you know all understand major difference between Pakistani and international. The difference start after 5-digit numbers. Okay, now this is only just for your explanation. Hopefully you all understand both these periods. Now we are moving towards our next topic, that is comparison of numbers. Okay, what is comparison of numbers? We have to compare both the numbers, whether it's small, whether it's greater, whether it's less, or whether it's equal. This is the sign of less than. When the number here, then the number here is smaller than that number. This is the greater sign, and this is equal to. Okay, this is the concept of comparison of numbers. Here you see, also open your books, page number 11. Comparison of numbers. You know that we put 3 signs whenever we do exercise related to comparison of numbers, that is less than, greater than, and is equal to. Here, comparison of numbers. Remember, we use symbol greater than for greater than, and this one is for less than. While comparing 5-digit numbers, we check the digit in 10,000s place first. So we are working with 5-digit number. Today our main topic is about 5-digit number. And you know 5-digit, in when we put 5-digit number in place, it read as 10,000. 5-digit comes at the place of 10,000. 4-digit comes at the place of 1,000. You have to know that. Okay, here 61011, what's the sign of it? Greater than. 59,999. Here units 10, 100,000, 10,000. Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. What we have to do here? We have to compare. First of all, what we have to see first, starting from the left side, not from right side. Starting from the left side, what we have to check first digit number. Here the first digit number is 6, that is at the place of 10,000, and here the first digit number is 5, that is at the place of 10,000. What we have to do when we do comparing? First of all, we have to check first digit from both the sides. Here Obviously 10,000 here, 10,000 here. 6 is greater than 5, so we put greater than sign. Okay, in comparison of number, first of all we have to check first digit of both. Here 6 is greater than 5, so we put greater than sign. Okay, then if if 10,000 digits of both the numbers are same, then what we have to do? If 10,000 digits of both the numbers are same, here you see 3 and 3. Both the digits, first digit numbers that are placed in the placed in the place of 10,000, both are same. Here fifth digit number is 3. Here the 10,000 place digit number is 3. So what we have to do now? We have to see now, check number in the thousands place. Okay, starting from here, units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Here you see that three of the both the 10,000 number of both are same. Here 3, here 3. What we have to do now? We have to check thousand place number. Okay, so here you see that here thousand place number is 3 and here thousand place number is 2. So obviously 3 is greater than 2. So we put this sign at 3. Okay, here the greater than sign here comes at 3 and it shows that 3 is greater than 2 and 2 is less than 3. In this way you will do comparison of numbers. In the same way, if you see that both the 10,000 and 1,000 are same, then what we have to do? Then we check 100 place number. Okay, when 1,000 and 10,000, here you see that units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here what you are seeing that 1,000 and 10,000, 1,000 and 10,000 both are same. Even hundreds are same. Here you see that 0, 0. Both the hundreds are same. Then what we have to check? Then we have to check the number at tens place. Okay. Here you see that 5 is greater than 2. Here you see that 5 is greater than 2. So we put greater than sign at 5 and here this sign shows that 2 is less than 5 and 5 is greater than 2. Crocodile mouth always opens when the number is greater. So here 5 is greater, so crocodile mouth opens at 5. Here you see another example. When all numbers till tens are same in both the numbers. Units 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here all the digits are same till tens. Then what we have to do? Then we see units number at units place. Here 4 are same, here 4 are same, both at tens place. 5 both are same, 6 both are same, and 2 both are same. So what we have to do now? You have to check the number at units place. Here the number at unit place is 7 and here the number at unit place is 6. So 7 is obviously greater than 6, so crocodile mouth opens at 7. In this way you do comparison of numbers. First of all you have to check 5 digit number of both. If 5 digit number is same, then you check 4 digit number. If 4 digit number is also same, then you see 3 digit. If 3 digit is also same, then you see 2 and then 1. And this way you do comparison of numbers. Hope you all understand. Okay. Now open your books and also look on your screens. Exercise 1.5. First of all, I'm going to tell you that listen these instructions carefully. If you have a space in book, if the space is given here like these underlines, in the form of these underlines, then you do complete exercise in your books by using pencil. But if there is no space given in an exercise, then you do that exercise in your fair copy by using pencil. Don't use any marker, any color except blue color in your fair copies. Only do work with blue color and pencil. And please do your work neat and clean in your fair copies. Now look at here. Exercise 1.5. Write the following Write the following numbers in figure, placing the commas correctly. These numbers are given in the form of words. So here what you have to do, first of all, write number in figures. Then what we have to do, put commas correctly. You know that whether it's Pakistani or whether it's international. First of all, we have to put comma after thousand group. Okay. So what's the first number here? 15,000. So you write it like nothing is given in the place of 100 tens units. Why it's counted 15,000? It means ones comes at the place of 10,000 and 5 comes at the place of 1,000. Both comes in the group of 1,000, so it counts in 15,000. 15, then we put comma because first group is complete after 1,000, and you know that we have to put comma after first group. Okay, after one group is completed, so you write it like 15,000 because nothing is given here in the place of 100 tens units. When nothing is given in the place of 100 tens unit, then we put 0 in that place. Okay, in this way you will solve these questions in your book by using pencil. Look at here, another two questions are done for you. Question number 6. 40,005. Here you see 40 means 40,000 means both comes in the group of 1,000. It means that 4 comes at the place of 10,000 and 0 comes at the place of 1,000. Why we read it 40,000? Because both the 10,000 and 1,000 come at the its group comes in the group of 1,000. So you write it like 40,000 comma then 5. Only unit digit is given here, that is 5. Nothing is given at the place of 110, so you write it like 40,000, then we put 0 in the place of 100, put 0 in the place of 10, then you write 5. Count as 40,005. Here another question is done. 91,037. 91,000 means 9, 10,000 and 1,000, but read as 91,000. Put comma, nothing is given in the place of 100. We put 0 at the place of 100, then 37. In this way, you will solve this part in your books by using pencil. If you want to take a screenshot of it for your guidance, then take it right now. Okay. Moving to next, part B. Exercise 1.4, page number 13 in your books. Write these number in words. This is the opposite of exercise 1.5 part A. Here that we write in figures, and there you write in figures, and here you write in words. Number 1 is done for you. 3,000, comma 425. How to write in words? 3,000, comma 425. This is very easy part. Okay, 80,000 and 80,000 comma 405, you write 80,000 405. 90,000 and 300. 59,749. 29,000. In this way you write in words, but don't forget to put comma. Okay, if you want to take screenshot, take it. Hurry up. Okay, part C. These all parts are very easy for you. Write these in expanded form. You already done expanded form in exercise 1.2. Okay, in exercise 1.4. Sorry, in exercise 1.2 only. So in this way you do expanded form. I hope you all know very well about expanded form now. Okay, so number 1 is here done for you. If you want to take screenshot, take it. 99,099. So how to expanded form? 9 is at the place of units, tens, hundred. 1,000, 10,000. 9 is at the place of 10,000. You know that we have to put 5 zeros when we do expanded form of. Okay, here you see uh, these are the one extra zeros putting by mistake here, so sorry for that. 9 at the place of 10,000, we have to put 4 zeros with 9,000 with 9. Okay, in 10,000 place we have to put 4 zeros. There is extra comma putting by mistake, sorry for that. Then put addition sign. 9 is at the place of 1,000, we put 3 zeros with 9. Okay, here's mistake 2. Then 0 is at the place of 100. Then 9 is at the place of tens, we put 90 and then 9. In this way you do expanded form. Okay. Part B. Write the place value of colored digit. You also did this exercise previous, exercise 1.4 or exercise, yes, exercise 1.4. And the same way you do this exercise, you just have to see the colored part. So here the colored number 1 is done for you. Here the colored part 5 comes at the place of 100. You write it like 500 or 500. This same exercise you done in exercise 1.4. In the same you complete this exercise. Okay, hope you don't face any difficulty while solving this part. Next part is part E. Here you do comparison of numbers. You know how to put greater than, smaller than is equal to sign. Here some examples are done for you. Some questions are solved for you. Number 1 is 56,305, 53,805. Here first of all what we have to see, 10,000 digit, but both the 10,000 digits are same. Then we have to see thousand number placing. Okay, here 1006 is greater than 3, we put greater sign here. In the same way here both the 1000 and 10,000 are same, hundreds are also same. We have to see your digits are 10 place. Here you see that 1 is greater than 0, we put here that sign in the in towards 1. In the same way here you see both the numbers are equal, so you put is equal to sign here. And in this way you will do and complete this exercise. Okay, so our today's lesson ends at this part E till part E. If you have any question regarding all these parts, then ask me. Now here I am sharing home task. Exercise 1.4 part G, page number 10 in your fair copy. Exercise 1.5 part A and E in your book, and exercise 1.5 part B, C, D in your fair copy. Hope you understood today's lecture. We'll meet inshallah tomorrow.